Hey there, Louise Steiner here with a short video on why Microniche Finder is my favorite tool for doing keyword research. Now, before we get started, I should just point out that all the information that Microniche Finder provides is available free of charge elsewhere on the internet. However, the beauty of this product is that it brings all that information together into one place. It allows you to manage your projects, and it makes keyword research far more efficient and easy to get through. So let's get started. For today, I'm going to use keyword research as my keyword, and you simply start by typing it in here and clicking on search. It's then going to bring up a page similar to this one. I've already collected some of the data, which is why you see all this here, but normally it would just bring up, it would look like this. And you can click on any of these to bring up the data. So you probably want to start off by going through and ticking the boxes of the keywords that may be of interest to you. And you can then go up here and you can collect the data for each of these criteria simply with one click, and the computer will then process that for you, or Microniche Finder will process that for you. But before we move on, I just want to run through each of these columns so you get an idea of what data Microniche Finder is going to come up with. So starting over here, we have the domain availability. It will tell you whether or not .com, .org or .net is available, as you can see down here. It also gives you the local and global search count, so that's the number of people who are searching for this particular keyword on a monthly basis. The next column is your exact phrase count, so that is the number of competing sites for that particular article. So as you can see here, over 1 million competing sites for keyword research, as you would probably expect. The next column, which may or may not be of use to your research, is if you were going to be doing some PPC advertising on Google. This gives you the ad cost. The next column, the OCI, this tells you how likely someone who searches for that keyword is going to be to spend money. So if you were marketing a particular product and trying to make money, clearly this would be an important indicator, and 7 or 10% probably wouldn't be doing it for you. The next column, the MOB, that is the number of backlinks that you're going to need in order to get yourself onto page 1. So down here, as you can see, just 1 or 10, very, very doable. And the final column, which is probably one of the most useful, this is the strength of competition. So it'll come up through various calculations with either don't try with a red cross, or a orange button, which tells you that it's possible, but it'll take more effort, or a green tick box. So that's a summary of the information that it provides, but the strength of Microniche Finder is what you can actually do with that information. So the first thing I want to just show you quickly is the project. So you can create a project, and you can simply add your ticked items to that project. So it allows you to look at various versions of your keyword and just keep adding to that project, and at the end of your search, you've then got all that data in one document in one place. The next useful little bit is that you can actually hide your unchecked boxes, which I can do now, and as you can see, it's just brought up the list of the ones that I'd actually checked. You can also filter your results. This is a really neat little tool because it allows you to customize how you filter. So if you just wanted to find keywords with a global search count of greater than a certain amount or less than a certain amount, you can input that data here and it'll follow that for you. Over here you can export your files, obviously quite a useful little tool. And finally, just very, very quickly, over here it links to all sorts of other sites. So it'll link over to various Google sites so that you can do your research. It'll allow you to look up various affiliate programs, or it'll go over to eZine articles so that you can either research or check out the competition. And that concludes my tutorial. Thank you for listening. I'm Louise Steiner.